Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah Ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqarah. وَاقْتُلُوهُمْ حَيْثُ ثَقِفْتُمُوهُمْ وَأَخْرِجُوهُمْ مِنْ حَيْثُ أَخْرَجُوكُمْ وَالْفِتْنَةُ أَشَدُّ مِنَ الْقَتْلِ ولا تقاتلوهم عند المسجد الحرام حتى يقاتلوكم فيه فإن قاتلوكم فاقتلوهم كذلك جزاء الكافرين. Translation: and kill them where they confront you and expel them out of places from where they expelled you, because fitna or disbelief and persecution is worse than killing. And do not fight them near Al-Masjid Al-Haram, the holy mosque, until they first attack you there. But if they attack you there, then kill them. Such is the reward of those disbelievers. In the previous ayah, we saw that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed Muslims to fight against those who fight against them. So when they were in Mecca originally, Muslims were commanded not to raise their hands even in self-defense, and they were ordered to bear all the oppression, all the injustice, all the violence and tyranny of the mushrikeen, of the polytheists, but do not raise the hands in even in self-defense. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed them when they had a base in Medina. They were allowed to fight back. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Muslims that if there is an open war and battle with mushrikeen, the polytheists, then Muslims should not show any cowardness and should not show any weakness and should not have any false mercy against the enemy who wants to kill them, who wanted to kill them. And Allah commanded that if you find them in that situation, that there is war, then you should also kill them as they want to kill you. And also expel them from the city as they expelled the Muslims from Mecca, and they had to go to Medina. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that the fitna or disbelief and persecution is worse than killing. So if some Muslim is thinking that fighting near the holy mosque is forbidden, even worse is causing fitna or disbelief or persecution that the mushrikeen or polytheists were doing, and stopping the people to accept Islam and giving them punishments because they accepted Islam, and holding their basic rights because they became Muslim, and force them to become polytheists, is all kind of fitnas, and this is worse than killing. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded that if the polytheists fight near the Masjid Haram, then the Muslims are allowed to fight, but they cannot start the fight there with the polytheists. So let's pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, give us clear understanding of Quran and Quranic commandments. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.